Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Rahman Labib and welcome back to FlyWP's monthly recap webinar of July 2025. So without further ado, let's take a look at the key updates of our last month. We have introduced site sleep and wake up feature, and we have also introduced advanced database and advanced domain manager. Also, there is another redirect manager addition to our site blueprints and domain manager, and plenty of bug fixes all across the platform. First thing first, let's take a look at the site sleep and wake up feature. It's here to save your resources. You can just put a site to sleep from the action menu, and it will execute a Docker Compose down command inside the container. And as well as to wake up the site, it will use the Docker Compose up. Let's take a look at the feature right here. So here I have my server, and if I click on the domain and click on the action menu, here I can see the site sleep option. If I just click on the site sleep option, it will instantly put the site to sleep. It will take a few moments to entirely put the site into sleep, and the site is now asleep. We can't really access the site and none of its contents. If I have to access the site again, I would have to wake up the site, and as of now, the site isn't really using any resources as FlyWP is being managed by Docker. So let's just wake up the site and let's move on to our next feature. Next on, we have Advanced Database Manager. It will help you create and manage MySQL databases without switching any tools. Also, it will auto-sync databases for new sites, and you will need to manually sync your databases for your older sites that you might have in your servers. And obviously, you can edit the database credentials from the dashboard directly. Here's a quick look into the feature. You will have to go to the database section, and here you will find the advanced database manager. Here you can see all the databases for the sites I have and all the database users. So if you want, you can actually create a new database and create a new user as well. Also, you could rewrite permissions of a user. You could allocate a user to another existing site, or you could update the credential of an existing user. Next on, we have Redirect Manager. It will help you redirect your sites or a certain URL without any third-party plugin. The main purpose of it is to simplify SEO-friendly URL changes, and you can always edit or delete redirect anytime from the dashboard. To use the redirect manager, you'd have to go inside the site dashboard, and under the site dashboard here you can find redirect rules. If you click on the redirect rules, it will take you to the redirect manager, and you can add a new redirect right here. So let's say in my site I have a URL called demo, and I want to move demo to my sample page. Here I have created a redirect, and I can actually keep it on permanent 30 on while 302. It won't really affect it. Let's just take a real look inside the site and let's see if that works or not. So here's my demo page, which I have redirected. So here's my demo page, which I have redirected using my redirect manager, and it should redirect me to the sample page. So let's take a look if it's working or not. Yes, it actually brought me to the sample page, and this is how we can confirm the redirect manager is fully functional and it's very systematic. Next on, we have advanced domain manager, and from domain manager we could set primary domains, add alias domains, and have a centralized control all over the site settings. Also, we could manage redirects and enable wildcard domains from the domain manager as well. Let's have a quick demonstration of the feature of advanced domain manager as well. To access the advanced domain manager, you'd have to go to site dashboard and then settings. From the settings page, you can actually add a new domain or maybe a alias domain as you would like. Let me just add my alias domain. From here, I could move it to my primary domain. I could also edit it and enable wildcard subdomains as well. And the feature is really easy to use, it's really simple, and it's functional. Next, we have site blueprints for faster site launches. You can create reusable templates for new sites. Also, you can add pre-installed plugins, themes, and even starter contents. This will speed up the process of your site launch, and it will help you bypass many consistent steps. Let's take a quick look at the site blueprint feature as well. To access the site blueprints, you need to go to settings, and under team settings, you could find site blueprints right here. If you want to create a site blueprint, you just have to click on new blueprint, and then you could give a blueprint name, search your favorite plugins, and search for your favorite themes that you would like to add. Also, you could pre-create users and describe the roles. Also, you could import the total content and even run a post-deployment site script. So here I have already created two site blueprints, and I'll try and create a site from one of those. Let's just click on create a new site. I'll have to select my server. From instance sites, I'll use a FlyWP test domain for now. Under installations, right here, I could select from the site blueprints. Let's just use the WooCommerce blueprint right here and click on site creation. It will create the site as it always does, but this time it will install the WordPress and apply the blueprint feature. That means it will install the WooCommerce plugin, it will install a theme and any other plugin that I might have selected, any other content that I might have selected inside the blueprint, and the site will come fully furnished, fully ready. So this will allow you to minimize the time that it takes to create a site. If you are creating sites for your client, this is a really, really helpful feature. As of now, it's applying the blueprint. Let's just wait a couple of more seconds right here, and the site will be ready in a few seconds. So here I could see the site is ready. We'll just wait for the SSL installation to finish. It's already in activating stage. So as the SSL is now active, we could just visit the site right here. So here you could see the site is now created. I have my Astra theme that which I have previously selected. I have my Vmail plugin and also the WooCommerce plugin I have selected. So this is an entire ready site, and I could also import contents as I would like. Next on, we have had multiple fixes and improvements all across the platform. Site deletion reliability has improved by far a lot. Also, for site transfers, we have fixed the SSL issue that SSL renewal was failing during site transfer. That has been resolved as well. We have improved IP validations for server settings. Now, your IP addresses for your server will be validated automatically. Also, we have included the Bedrock site access. It's completely restored and it can be used for Bedrock sites with Nginx right now. And on to the what's coming next section. We have multiple features in the pipeline, including them fail to ban is one of our biggest next feature that we're working on behind the curtains. Also, we have multiple other security fixes like WordPress core and plugin integrity checker, and there might be a possibility of a browser-based terminal access for users very soon. So I think that's covered almost all of the updates that we had from July. Thank you so much for being here and see you next month.